Character coaches and sports chaplains, let's think a little bit today about how you would go about setting up a coaches huddle. If you're going to meet regularly with a set of coaches for whatever your purpose is, think about how you would put that together. Done this a lot for a lot of years, and I generally use the same kind of approach, and I want to ask them what interests them first. If I find that the coach wants to develop some things in his coaching staff, what is that you want to develop, coach? That'll help us choose material. That'll help us choose format for everything that we do. Think about logistics of this in a large way. It's really important to think through, who do you want to have be there? Is this an open group that you want to draw people into all the time? Or is it a closed group where it's just for this staff of this particular team? Which do you want to do? Secondly, think about the frequency. How often do you want to meet? Is it once a week at the same time, same day every week? Or is it bi-weekly? Or is it even more sporadically than that? How will you make the timing of it work? What day, what time, what location? Should we do this in a staff room? Should we do this at a coffee shop? What's the right place for the group to meet? Think through all those logistics: who, what, when, where, how often, all that kind of thing. How long? Is this something we know we have 8 weeks to do, or is this something we intend to run for a long, long time? Give yourself a chance to succeed by setting a timeline and say, we're going to adjust at the end of this and see where we want to go. Then think about, what's your goal for the group? Is it something where you want to do something intensely spiritual, Bible study, that sort of thing? That's a different set of goals than if the coach expresses, I want to develop our staff's leadership skills. Okay, now that sets a different tone for what we're going to do. Probably brings up different information, different resources that we might use otherwise. Find out what their goals are. Be sure that you fit into their schedule. You fit into their goals as opposed to the other way around. You be a great facilitator, and they will see you as an outstanding asset to their program, and it will further all your relationships with the team.